Hi everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll see about inheritance in Java. Before starting this video, I want to let you know that we have this 37 tutorials of basics of Java. So please go to these tutorials before watching this video. So we will have the clear understanding of Java topics which we need to understand before understanding the inheritance. So in this video, I will tell you about inheritance, types of inheritance, and one basic example how we use inheritance in Java. So starting with inheritance. Inheritance is a main and very basic concepts in OOPS concepts. OOPS means object oriented programming language. So it is one of the OOPS concepts, and in this one class inherits the properties from another class. So we use inheritance using extend keyword. Here, the class which inherit the properties from another class is known as subclass, where the class from which the subclass inherits the properties is called superclass. So subclass can inherit only the non-static properties of superclass. There are four types of inheritance. One is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. So in single level inheritance, one subclass will have only one superclass. Okay, so here I have given in graphical representation. If this is a subclass, this will have only one superclass. In multi-level inheritance, one sub this is a subclass will have one superclass, and that superclass will also have another superclass. So this is multi-level inheritance. The third one is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, one subclass will have more than one superclass. Okay, and the fourth one is hierarchical inheritance. So in hierarchical inheritance, one superclass can have multiple subclasses. So here this is superclass and these are its subclasses. So these are the main types of inheritance, four basic types of inheritance. So I will give one simple example how we will use inheritance using this extend given. How can we write a program in Java? So for that we use one super statement. We use this statement while writing our Java program with inheritance. So first what I will do, I will take one class. I will take it as demo1. Okay, into that I will take one parameterized constructor. So constructor should have name as class name. We'll take one parameter into that, integer, maybe arg argument. Okay, so and in this constructor I will print some statements like system dot out dot println. Into that maybe we'll print that this parameters value. So arg value is, and after that plus arg. Okay, we'll close these two class also, and we'll take one another class which will be the, this is the super class demo1. I will take another class as subclass of this. So what I need to, I need to inherit the superclass properties. That means I need to inherit these properties here in another class. So I will take this class as maybe sample1. While inheriting this class, what I need, we need this, use this keyword here, extends. So I will write it as class sample1 extends demo1. Okay, so in this class I will call this sample1 constructor here, sample1, and into this constructor we'll take this super statement here. Okay, these super statements which I said we need to use this statement for inheritance here. So super statement should have the first statements in subclass constructor. Okay, super, and in this super statement I will pass the value for this argument arg value here. So I will take it as 10. Okay, so after that maybe I will print some statements here. System dot out dot println, maybe running super, sorry, sample one constructor. So that, so here system.out.println running sample one dot constructor will, this is another class which is a subclass. So here demo one is a super class and demo sample one is a subclass which is extending this demo one, means this is now super class of sample one. So I will take another third class as class main class to take our main method here. Public static void main string args. Okay, p should be small. So here in this what I will do, I will just create one. If I want this sample one should be called, so what I will do, I will create the object of this class sample one. Okay, so I will write it as maybe new sample, just create one object of this one. So what it will do, maybe I will print some statement here. System dot out dot println program ended, and we'll take some same statement here. Program started. So now what it will do, when we run our program, first it will go to, we will run this class first. So it will run this main method first, it will run this statement program started, then this will create the, okay, this will create the one object of this, so it will go to this class. So now it extend demo one. So what it will do, it will run this sample one constructor, saying that we have called this super statement super 10. So it will now go to this demo one class demo one, and it will run this demo one constructor, and into that it will run these statements. Argument value is, it will take this value here is 10, and after that it will come back to this statement and it will print this statement running sample on constructor, and after completing this it will again come back to this statement, and it will print program and a statement. So we will just take notepad to run our program. I will just copy paste this whole program here, maybe from there. This should be small, need to change this. Okay, this should be small. Class sample and extend demo one sample. Okay, this should be capital. Okay, so here also we change this one. New should be, and should be small. mm, we'll save this program here as main class, because main class dot java, maybe main class one dot java. Okay, save, we'll take it as one. We'll use command prompt here. Check where we have these programs. Here we'll go from here, cmd. So now we need to use javac to compile the program. Okay, let me check. It is giving some error. I need to change here. It should be small case. We'll run it again. One error is still there. Need to this curly braces. Okay, so we'll check it again. So it is giving some. Okay, so it should be capital. Okay, let me check it again. Okay, it is still giving some error. It's super. S should be small here. We'll check it again. Okay, system.out.println. Something is wrong here. Yes, system.out.println. Program started. Okay, let me check. So let me check here. Need to delete this one. Okay, if you now it is compiled successfully. So now I will run the program. Main class 1. Okay, if you see, so when we start our program, so first statement, this program started is printed here. Now this will go to this sample1 class, and after that it will call this demo1 class, and this will print this statement. Argument value is arg, and after that it will come here. So it will print this another statement from, okay, another statement of sample1 class running sample1 constructor, and after that it will come back to our main class, and it will print this last statement program ended. So in this, likewise, we just created one object of this class, and we inherited properties of this demo1 superclass. So like this our inheritance is used while writing the program. So we can have complex programs with this also, to use the reuse the code. This is one of the advantages of using inheritance. It is also known as easy relationship. So this is all about the inheritance in Java. Thank you so much for watching the video.